If you want to download CapCut on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to get CapCut installed on your PC, launch it, and start a new project so you can begin editing right away. This is a quick and beginner-friendly guide, so even if you've never installed video editing software before, you'll be able to follow along step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. In the search bar, go to the official CapCut website. Make sure you're on the official site so you're downloading the correct version for Windows and not from a random third-party page. Once the CapCut website loads, look for the Download for Windows button. This is the version designed specifically for Windows computers, so click that download button to begin. Your browser should now start downloading the CapCut installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. While the file is downloading, it's a good idea to wait until the download is fully complete before opening it. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or click the file from your browser's download bar. Find the CapCut installer and open it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes or allow the installer to continue. This is completely normal when installing software on your computer. Once the installer opens, it will begin setting up CapCut on your Windows PC. You may see a progress bar while the program installs, so just wait until the process is finished. Depending on your system, this could take a minute or two. After the installation is complete, you'll be able to launch CapCut. If there is a checkbox or button to open the app right away, go ahead and click it. Otherwise, you can find CapCut on your desktop or in your Start menu, and open it from there. When CapCut launches for the first time, you may be asked to sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts if needed, and once you're inside the app, you're ready to begin editing. To start a new editing session, click New Project. This will open the main editing workspace where you can import your clips, arrange your timeline, add text, music, effects, and start building your video. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded CapCut in Windows and opened a new project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.